How to adjust photo shadows on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, now open up the picture gallery. Next in here, in the gallery, scroll down and select a picture. Then tap on the edit button at the bottom. From here, we tap on the tone button, and at the top, swipe across and select shadows. In here, drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right to increase or decrease the shadows in your image. And that's it. As you can drag to the right here, you can see there will be more shadows. And if you drag to the left, the shadows will decrease. And that's it. Now go to the top and tap on the save button to save the changes. Finally, you can tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.